My name is Lucille. I'm the MPP for Ottawa Vanier. In the East End, we don't have a testing center. That means that all the people from my riding, they have to come here in the West End. The closest is the Brewers Park, where people are lining up for hours to after getting told that they need to come back and go home. You know, those are families with young kids that, have jobs that they have to put aside to be able to do the right thing. They are trying to follow the protocols that the government say it's so important that we follow. But the government is not doing its duty. It's not investing the money. It's been not putting together a plan, not putting forward a plan. It took question period this week as we returned to Queen's Park asking those questions to the government. And the answers we're getting is that we are getting a plan together. It's coming forward. But where has it been? It's been weeks. We knew the second wave would come. The cases are showing up in our schools, in our long-term care residents, but still the government is reactive instead of being proactive in bringing up solutions and helping our communities. The government needs to do better, and I'm calling on Doug Ford to come up with the plan now and put the money where it needs to go for the safety of our community.
The government chose the timing to restart the economy and restart schools. They were told that to restart schools, we needed 7,000 tests a day in Ottawa. There is capacity for between 1,500 and 2,000 tests. They've known this for weeks, if not months. They haven't invested in ensuring that there are testing centers across our city, from Orleans to Barrhaven to Canada, and so everyone has to come to Heron or Brewer or to Moody. If you're waiting 3, 4, 5 hours in line with your kids to get a test, that's ridiculous. Now, we just talked to some parents. They had been here for 3 hours, and then they were told to go home because there wasn't any more capacity for the rest of the day. Imagine taking time out with your kids in the middle of a park. Keeping a 5-year-old entertained for 3 hours is difficult enough as it is. And then you have to go home and restart the process again tomorrow. It's ridiculous. The failed Ford restart plan is in plain sight. We need a testing center in Orleans. We need one in Vanier. We need one in Barrhaven and in Canada to ensure that people can get tested closer to home, that those testing can happen quicker, and they're not waiting in line as much.